Viewers, now briefly shifting our focus to an intense Bihar battle which is now over. The Axis Ma India exit poll has given the NDA a clear edge, projecting 121 to 141 seats against the Mahagathbandhan's 98 to 180. Meanwhile, it is Tejashwi Yadav who is emerged as the most popular chief ministerial face, with 34% of respondents backing him, which is a sign of growing youth connect even as Nitish's governance plank holds ground. According to the survey, the NDA is projected to stay ahead with anywhere between 121 to 141 seats, while the Mahagathbandhan trails with 98 to 118. Smaller players like the JSP and the AIMIM are expected to make little impact. In terms of vote share, the NDA holds a slim edge at 43%, just 2 points ahead of the Mahagathbandhan at 41%, suggesting a close two-cornered contest. But dig deeper and the trends get more layered. Among women voters, the NDA continues to dominate. 45% of women backing Nitish's alliance compared to the 40% for the Mahagathbandhan. Among men, the race is tighter as 41% support comes in for the NDA with 42% for the Mahagathbandhan, showing that Nitish Kumar's Mahila vote bank still remains with him. The caste arithmetic as well tells its own story. A solid 90% of the Yadavs and the 79% of Muslims have voted for the Mahagathbandhan, keeping the traditional RJD base intact. But the NDA makes strong inroads among other blocks. 49% of scheduled castes, 58% of the extremely backward castes, and the 63% of OBCs have in fact come out to back the NDA. Let's take a look at some of the reactions before we proceed.
हर धर्म और समुदाय के लोगों ने, खास करके महिलाओं ने का जो वोट प्रतिशत बढ़ा है, और ये हमारे लिए गर्व का विषय है कि 20 वर्ष तक कोई राज्य का मुख्यमंत्री हो जिनके खिलाफ आपत्तिजनक टिप्पणी की गई, प्रतिपक्ष के नेता के द्वारा टिप्पणी की गई, लेकिन नीतीश कुमार जी ने सबको दिल में सजो करके रखा। लेकिन हमारी उम्मीद है कि जनता ईवीएम से उसका कड़ा प्रतिकार करेगी और फिर नीतीश कुमार जी 10वीं बार मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, एनडीए की सरकार बनेगी।
देखिए, बहुत परम आदर के साथ सब एग्जिट पोलों का सम्मान है, लेकिन मैं व्यक्तिगत तौर पे एग्जिट पोल पे विश्वास नहीं करता हूँ। मेरा बड़ा स्पष्ट मानना है, चुनाव अपने आप को समेटता है ना तो सुनामी की तरह सब कुछ बहा के ले जाता है। यकीन मानिए 14 तारीख को 2010 का रिकॉर्ड टूटेगा।